Alright guys, so now that the exterior is washed, I'm going to touch the interior, vacuum it, wipe it down, all that good stuff, just so we can kind of get it prepped for all of the stuff that we're going to be doing to it. Get the car kind of freshened up. It's looking too much like a $5,000 car. We got to bring it up a tiny bit.
This lady was like, have a good day, you sure brightened mine. I'm like, I just responded, okay.
Put 50-50 on the hood, pretty much just means we're going to put a line of tape down the center, polish, come and polish to the left side, keep this on the right side undone so you guys can see like the drastic difference between the two. So the car's cleaning up a bit. The paint's actually a lot worse than I expected. So I gave it a quick cut, and it's definitely popping a bit. I'm gonna have to polish that as well. Gonna go over this probably one more time. Pop these grills out while we're up here. Polish around the grills, and then install the new ones. They're satin black, and they're kind of weathered. So gonna keep the insides, replace the outsides. Gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try putting some sandpaper to this. As you saw, I tried cutting it. But there's still like a little bit of hazing here I don't really like. So I might either sand them down and see if that works, or I'll just order new ones. I wanted to try it out first and see if we could DIY it and bring these back to life. On the top, I'm just prying out with this flathead screwdriver. These are kind of all old and nasty, and then these are nice and fresh. So in order to take these vents out, we've got these new ones right here. We're gonna have these match the grills. Pop this up. So I don't think these have ever been taken out before, because I've never had such a hard time with that. But they're out now. You guys gotta be kind of patient. It is not. That's weird. Your car probably wouldn't do that. This is a cake with dust and stuff that's been built up. Right in, make sure it's secured. Better than it. Alright, so we're going to replace the trim up here with that nice new redone trim that I have, and then obviously the boot and all that stuff. So we're going to work with what we have today and replace everything, and then we'll take it back apart when it comes time to replace the window switch, etc. Alright, so we got Devin in the i3. He's going to take me back from the body shop. I'm going to drop this thing off and get this stuff taken care of. If you look, I did plasti dip it to kind of remove the eyesore, but it's not perfect, and that's not really the plan I have with this car. And as you can see back here, or in front here rather, the front bumper is not all that great. It is pretty banged up. Still got the front license plate holes, which isn't the biggest deal in the world, but gotta get rid of those. These are chipping off. It looks like this is like Phoenix yellow before, which is kind of crazy considering it's a super rare color, and this one looks like it was like Laguna Seca blue before. So really strange that it's got mismatched colors underneath this pre-painted bumper, but let's get this all cleaned up and just make it look good. Here you've got your 2002 and your 2018. So I'm going to get the car painted right now. I still need to get the diff bushings and all that stuff addressed. It's clunking like crazy upon letting out the clutch, but just scheduling, timing, and everything like that needs to line up, and I don't like the car sitting without having anything done, just for the sake of doing things in a certain order. So I'm gonna bring the car to paint right now, and then we're gonna get all the stuff painted, the front bumper and the rear, potentially the rear bumper too, if the scratches aren't able to be buffed out. We are like 3 minutes away. Hard to drive stick shift and record, but gotta do it for the channel. Toaster. BMW gang, Strada, out in Addison, Illinois. You can see cars out here.
We paint the bumper, the thing in the back, and the back bumper we can wax and buffer almost very good and touch it out the whole car really good and buffer out the whole car.
Okay. Do you think you could do 700?
Let's say 750.
All right, will you take care of me on the next project?
Yeah, sure.
All right, deal, let's do it. All right.
Just like that, day 3 is over. Guys, thank you so very much for staying tuned to this build. I'm super excited to bring you this car. It's gonna be nice, fresh, painted, buffed, all the good stuff. It's gonna be looking amazing in the next episode, and there's gonna be a bunch more parts added to it, waiting for them in the mail. Should have everything here in the next couple of days. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. I cannot wait to bring it to you. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you didn't. Subscribe and leave the absolute world to me. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I post the next video. Guys, follow me on Instagram for any updates at SULKAR_media, and I will see you in the next video.